Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and once again, welcome back. Okay, well, guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you the role of AI, artificial intelligence, in your IELTS preparation. And we are going to see whether AI is going to be useful, or without AI you can go through and you can get your desired band, or you can get through IELTS exam, right? Now, first of all, when we talk about AI, there are some AI platforms where you can practice IELTS speaking module. That's a good idea, but sometimes they correct you, but otherwise they don't correct you. But for the sake of practice, it is okay. But if you find someone who can be an examiner, and you become the candidate, and then you become examiner, and that person becomes the candidate, so like this you guys can do it. This is what we call, you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. In Punjabi, tu mere pinde te saban la te main tere pinde te saban lawanga. Okay, so it's just like that. Okay, so you can find someone and you can practice like that. Secondly, it's a good idea to use ChatGPT for your writing. Okay, now ChatGPT can check your writing, but that checking or that marking is not quite reliable. Some of my students, they tried some writing tasks and they sent them to ChatGPT. Sometimes ChatGPT gave them 5 band and the same task was given 7 band. So in terms of writing, marking, ChatGPT is not quite reliable, but you can use ChatGPT to create good answers. For example, you are academic IELTS candidate and you want ChatGPT to produce a good essay. That's what they can do it. If you are an academic IELTS candidate and you want ChatGPT to create a good report for you, yes, that's what can be done, and you can read those sample answers. And one more thing, like, as you know, there are 4 marking criteria for IELTS, so you can improve your vocabulary for essay writing, you can improve your grammar like compound, complex and conditional sentences there, you can improve your coherence and cohesion, you can create some handouts with the help of ChatGPT, and you can improve your writing skills. If you are gender training IELTS candidate, you can ask ChatGPT to give you the format, even the template for essay writing. So it depends on the prompt that you're going to provide, and I think it's going to be good. As far as listening module is concerned, ChatGPT can give you some tips, but it's just like that you ask ChatGPT to teach you how to drive the car. So you cannot learn to drive the car from ChatGPT alone unless you drive. So listening is just the same. Like, ChatGPT can give you tips and techniques and all that, but you will have to go through Cambridge IELTS books and you have to follow all the practice tests, and that's gonna be the best thing for you. As far as reading is concerned, some students ask ChatGPT to create some reading tests for them. Let me tell you, ChatGPT can copy some of IELTS reading tests, and sometimes they give you original test from Cambridge IELTS book. That is good, but it's a good idea not to rely on ChatGPT for your reading, especially in terms of practice tests. The practice tests that we have in Cambridge IELTS books, these tests are really good, and very soon all books, Cambridge IELTS books 1 to 19, they are going to be converted to computer delivered format, and you will see Cambridge IELTS book number 20 will come in computer delivered format where students will be able to practice and all that. So for reading, yes, you can get tips and techniques. You can ask ChatGPT, give me tips and techniques to go through true, false, not given, list of headings, multiple choice questions. But again, sometimes only tips are not enough unless you practice. Practice is actually better than getting tips. And if you get the tips while practicing, it's gonna be better. So overall, I would say you need to find some AI platforms. And by the way, if you know any AI platform which is good for IELTS candidates, I request you to comment this video. And if we like your comment, we are going to pin it to top as well, right? Then people will contact you, okay? So you can just write a good comment. How to use AI in IELTS, AI platform for IELTS speaking practice, AI platform for IELTS writing practice, listening, reading and all that. So how can we practice using AI? Anyways guys, just work hard. I mean, if IELTS is your target, make sure you achieve it, because one thing is connected with another thing. It's just like, crossing the dots. So if you get good band in IELTS, you can get admission, you can get the visa, you will go to a foreign country, you may get immigration and all that. So this is just the chain reaction, and things are going to be roses for you once you go through IELTS successfully. Thank you so much guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world, and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan, we offer IELTS books on reading and speaking and writing. We offer IELTS test booking in Pakistan. We offer IELTS writing correction. We offer single module preparation, online classes, study plans before exam. If you want to get any of these services, you can contact us on WhatsApp and we will just give you details about each and everything. All the best guys. Thank you so much. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.